Today we're going to install and set up Indyreads on your iPad device. Before we begin, you will need your device connected to the Wi-Fi, your Richmond Tweed Regional Library membership card so we can enter your membership or barcode number, your library PIN number, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number, and access to your Apple App Store account which has been set up. We're going to begin by clicking on the App Store icon on the front screen here with the blue icon. And we're going to click in the search field up the top here and start typing in Indyreads. You'll notice that Indyreads comes up on the list below. We can select it from there. Then we're going to click on the cloud with the download arrow to download this app. Indyreads is a free app, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a minute or two to download. Once it's downloaded, we can click on the Open button. And then from here we need to select our branch. So we're going to scroll down to the R's for Richmond Tweed Regional Library and select it from the list. Then we're going to put in our library card number. Now this is your membership number, and it's the number that's underneath your barcode on your library card. Yours should begin with a 2. I'm using one that's from the online registration, so mine begins with a C, but you use yours. Now we click on next. We need to enter in our PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. And then click done. It's saying here that we need to accept the terms and conditions of use. We can click OK here, select the terms and tick the terms and conditions of use. We may need to just click back in here and then click done again. You should now be ready to use Indyreads. If you have any problems with installing and using this app, please contact your local library for over-the-phone support. Happy reading!